up? It's Landon Gamer. Today we are playing Sugar. So guys, I don't know how to play it. Let's do level 1. I seen Timo and friends play this. What are you supposed to do? Get into the cup? Oh, I see now, guys. Get into the cup. Get into the cup, Sugar. I'm warning you if you don't get into the cup. Yeah, Sugar. It's overflowing, guys, with sugar. That's way too much sugar. Guys. Sugar, come down. I think I blocked the sugar off, guys. Okay, guys. So the sugar's coming in here. And some other sugar. Guys, this level's super hard. So some could go in here. And some could come out here. Are you serious? Guys, it's like you have a time limit and you have to try and do this in the time limit. Dude. Watch out. Yeah. Aw. It's so hard. Sugar, get in the other side. Do that, and also do that. Yeah, guys, this is looking good. No. Okay. I hope I have enough sugar, guys. Yeah, I have enough sugar to do this, guys. Level 3. White sugar in the white cup. What? I have no idea what to do, guys. White sugar. Come on, white sugar, come on. Guys, I have no idea what to do. It's overflowing. Guys, what's happening? Red sugar also. Oh, I see the red sugar. Turns into red. Red sugar. Come on, red sugar. It's time. Here's sugar. There's so many red sugar. Woohoo, guys. Hurry up. There's too much sugar. Guys, I have no idea what to do. So first come in here. And then come in here. But how do we get this to come up here? Guys. So is there a trick or something? So this could go in there, and so that could go in there, and some could come down here. Guys, Morgan. This one's like impossible. Wait a minute, is this a trick? I think this is a trick, guys, for all of Guys, this was a trick. Oh, there's a hole in the ground. How did I not see that, guys? below. Let's see if it can go in like this. Get out! No, this is too hard, guys. I don't know how to do this. Or do I? So this is where it doesn't fall out. Okay, so I basically just won. Just look at this. Oh, I didn't know that, guys. This was not a trick all along. We just needed that, how to get in there. Now I see, guys. Some. Oh gosh, guys, how do you complete level 4? Team Mom and Friends, comment down below how do you complete level 4, or if you know how to, just comment down below, guys. Now I need to do that. Guys, this is so hard. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see how to complete this level, okay? Hey, guys, I saw how Team Mom and Friends completed it. So we have to do that, and then that, and then that, I think. Just one piece of sugar, and then like this, guys. This is gonna take for ages, but oh gosh. Sugar, if you want to go down there, there's 2 choices. No, dang it, guys. It has to go all the way down there. This is going to take a while. Are you guys? I'll see you when all the sugar gets in finally. Okay, guys, so I had to try something new. And I hope this works. Okay, now I can just do this. And make sure it doesn't overflow. So guys, so many pieces of sugar. Sugar, are you serious? Whee! Sugar! Come on, Sugar, you can make it. Yes! So guys, are you serious, guys? It still needs to go down there too. Guys, I'm finally completing this level. For some reason, this took me so long. Hurry up. Now I can just do this, guys. So the rest of the sugar could just go in there. Guys, I completed level 4. And that's easy, guys. Oh no, that's really hard though. You just have to have one piece of sugar come in there. Guys, I think it's gonna make it. Sugar? Yes, guys, it made it. Okay, oh, I see how to do this. So, sugar. Actually, so guys, we have to do that, and then we also have to do this, and then this, and with the green sugar we have to do this. No! No, guys, level 6 is just like so hard. Guys, I think I'm completing this. What? Okay, guys, and also sorry about my voice. I'm a little bit rusty today. Does that even make sense? Only some red dust could come in here. Not dust, sugar. I really have problems today, guys. So green sugar and some of it would be red sugar, and then the sugar would go in here. Guys, the red sugar is invading. How dare you, red sugar? Go, 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 go. Okay, guys, so. Okay, so now all the piece of sugar. Push the button. For what? Guys, I don't know how to do this. Oh, I see now. You have to do this. Guys, this part is too hard. I don't even get how you do this. Maybe it just goes like this. This is so important. Guys, this is like impossible. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Save if you're new. And to Mom and friends, I know you're out there. Comment down below if you did this level. Tell me how to complete it. Bye, guys.